Most people think that to get rich in the US stock market, you need to be a math genius, stare at 6 monitors all day, and find the next NVIDIA before anyone else. But here's the cold, hard truth. 80% of professional fund managers, people who do this for a living, actually think of an individual stock like buying a single piece of fruit. If that apple is rotten, you've lost your money. An index fund, however, is the entire fruit basket. When you buy an index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500, you aren't betting on one company. You're betting on the 500 biggest, most successful companies in America all at once. If one company fails, no big deal. The other 499 are there to carry the load. Fail to beat the market over the long run. So if the pros can't do it, why are you trying to? Today, I'm going to show you the lazy way to invest that legendary billionaire Warren Buffett actually recommends for 99% of people. It's called index fund investing. The secret sauce here isn't timing the market. It's time in the market. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually on average. If you invest just $500 a month into a low-cost index fund, starting at age 25, by the time you hit 65, you're looking at over $2.6 million. You didn't have to read a single balance sheet or watch the news once. You just stayed consistent. So, how do you start? It's literally 3 steps. Pick a brokerage, open an account with Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. They are the big 3 in the US. Choose your fund. Look for total stock market or S&P 500 funds. My favorites, VOO Vanguard or SPY. Check the expense ratio. This is crucial. Some funds charge you high fees. Look for something below 0.05%. You want your money staying in your pocket, not the bank's. The hardest part isn't buying the fund. It's doing nothing. When the news says the market is crashing, your job is to stay the course. In fact, when the market is down, index funds are on sale. Stop chasing the get-rich-quick stocks. Build a foundation that lets you sleep at night. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so I know to make more Investing 101 content. And comment below, are you an S&P 500 fan? Or do you prefer the total stock market? Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.